Dhaka Metro Rail paragraph. The Dhaka Metro Rail is a rapid transit system serving Dhaka, the capital city of Bangladesh. It is owned and operated by the Dhaka Mass Transit Company Limited. The Dhaka Metro Rail began operation on December 29, 2022, with the opening of the first phase of Line 6, which runs from Uttara north to Agargan. The line is 11.73 kilometers long and has 9 stations. The second phase of Line 6, which will extend the line to Motijeel, is under construction and is expected to be completed in 2024. The Dhaka Metro Rail is a major infrastructure project for Bangladesh. It is expected to reduce traffic congestion, improve air quality, and boost economic development in the city. The project has also been a source of national pride for Bangladesh. The Dhaka Metro Rail has a capacity of 60,000 passengers per hour per. Direction. The cost of the project is estimated to be $2.8 billion. The Dhaka Metro Rail is being built with the help of financial assistance from the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JITSA. The Dhaka Metro Rail is a major step forward for Bangladesh. It is a symbol of the country's progress and a testament to the hard work and dedication of its people. The metro is expected to have a positive impact on the economy and quality of life in Dhaka, and it will help to make the city a more livable place. The Dhaka Metro Rail is a game changer for Dhaka. It is a symbol of hope for the future and a testament to the resilience of the Bangladeshi people. The metro will help to make Dhaka a more livable city and will improve the lives of millions of people.